Hi everyone and welcome to the first full car boot of the year 2022. I know I did a really mini one recently, but this is the first time it's like a big haul, and hopefully this will continue throughout the year now, until at least the end of the summer. So I went to my local one. It's just opened up this week, which is brilliant because there's loads of family sellers, unlike the other one in my area, which is all traders. There were still some traders there, but I just skip past those because it's literally all brand new tools and things, and that doesn't interest me. I need the toys and things like that, so I go straight to the family sellers. I did a lot better than I expected to this morning. It was quite cold, but the weather's good today. It's dry-ish. I mean, the underfoot is still a little wet, but I spent £65.80, which is about average. Usually about between 60 and 80 I spend a week. But yeah, going forward, hopefully this will continue, and I'm looking forward to a really fruitful car boot season. So this is a quick scan of what I've picked up. Lots of Plush this week, which is kind of good and kind of bad. Again, Plush takes up a lot of room, it needs cleaning, but I have sold a lot of my Plush off. I don't really have a lot left, so I've got plenty of room to put it in the stock room. So let's go over what I bought. First thing I bought today was this Noddy. I don't know if it's vintage. The lady was talking to me about her 41-year-old son, and I was like, oh, I'm 41 as well. She said he had this as a kid. I don't think this is very vintage to me. It's 2002, so unless he was like 20 years old when he had it, maybe. I don't know. Again, I should say I haven't researched any of this. Unfortunately, I haven't got time today. I'm on a real tight schedule, so I really apologise. I can't really give you sold prices on any of this. But if you keep an eye out on my channel, I'm trying to do a monthly sales video. So if you check back in a few weeks on my sales videos, you might see some of this selling. You'll be able to see what it sells for. I did pay up for this. It was £4, and she also had this box of Duplo, which was also £4, and I did pay £8 for those two, so kind of a big spend off the bat, but I was in the mood to spend money today, and I wasn't leaving Duplo lying around. Literally, I bought it as soon as I went into the car boot because it would just get snapped up. And next, just a couple of melamine trays. I don't know why I bought these. They were £1 for the two. I have sold melamine trays before, and they've sold, so I thought I'd try my luck with those. There's a Super Ted vintage puzzle here. No idea if it's complete. I couldn't open it. My hands were full up. It was £1, so I just paid the £1, and I'll check it later. Next, there's a Playmobil set. Again, I wasn't going through it, checking it was all there. It looks like there's most of it there. There is a person down the bottom, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to take it because that's not going to hang around. I did pay £3 for that. I don't know what that's worth. These mugs were 50p each, which I think is quite a bargain. I've sold a lot of these vintage chocolate mugs. So we have a Toblerone one. There's a 1992 SeaWorld mug. Tetley tea, that's quite cool. They also had this brownies mug, which is kind of unique. I was in the Cub Scouts when I was a kid, so that's vintage. You can tell by the base, so that's quite a nice thing, I think. Another store, again 50p, had this mug. It's an M&M Star Wars Join the Dark Side. They did have another one, but it was being put through the dishwasher and it was really damaged, so I didn't take that one, unfortunately. Lady had a paperweight. I've done really well with paperweights. I've sold, I think, all of them bar one now. I picked up quite a few last year. So if I see paperweights like this again, I will pick them up. It's on the smaller side. It was £2, which is about average. No chips that I could see. No marker, no maker on it. People just go for the designs, I think, when they buy them. But yeah, £2 for that. Ones this size are sold around the £12.99 mark for me. Then there was a lady who had a box full of figures. They were like really cheap like blind bag figures. And then she had all these Playmobil looking figures as well. I'm not sure if they are Playmobil. I presume they are. I don't know. But I will have to check. They were £5 for £1. I found 14 Playmobils. So there's a couple of larger ones and all these small ones, plus 3 animals. And then this random figure, I've no idea who this is. It looks like, what's her face? From that Medium advert I keep seeing on CBS Drama. No, but it's not her, I know. But yeah, no idea who she is, unfortunately. I don't know what I'm going to do with her, but I literally had to make up the £5 for £1, so I just grabbed her. Another store had this one. It was 10p. It's dated 1974. So I picked that up for 10p. Next, I have no idea why I bought this. It is absolute rubbish, but I look at it. It's this weird lamb thing. Ornament from the Leonardo collection. It looks really cheaply made. So I don't think it's going to be worth anything, but 50p, I just took it. Then I found these like ladybird things. They're called Crazy Legs Learning Bugs. They were from 2 different stalls. This happens to me all the time. I find one thing and then I go to another store and find the exact same thing again, which is ideal because I only have to do one listing. So once one's sold, I can just sell similar and redo the listing with new photos. One was £1 and one was it was £3, but I've gotten down to £2 because I wasn't paying £3 for it. But I think this is the one with batteries in. It's all working.
Hi, please help me find the shape.
No. Next, I found some Build-A-Bears. Surprise, surprise. I have sold all my Build-A-Bears, bar the generic plain ones. All the character ones I've sold, pretty much. So I found the Minions. These were 50p each. SpongeBob, he's just a Nickelodeon SpongeBob. And it's really filthy. It is disgusting. I've no idea what I'm gonna wash it and try and get it clean. But that was 50p. This is sold, these sell around the sort of £10 mark, maybe a little couple pound more for that one if I can get it clean. I'm not 100% if I can get that clean. Found Rainbow generic Build-A-Bear. It was £2. I picked it up, it was a clean condition. Same lady had this. It's from the Gruffalo. She had a fox as well from the Gruffalo, but it was damaged, so I didn't pick that up, but this was £1. That was on this thing. I think they were trying to cover up the marks on it with some generic Disney clothing. But yeah, I'll probably just chuck that, I don't know. Next, this really cute dinosaur. It's from Marks and Spencer's, so I thought I'd just pick it up. It's really soft and cute, and that was 50p. Then this little turtle. I don't think I can get rid of him. He's going to have to stay, I think. He's so cute. He was only 20p as well. He's not got any labels on either. So I don't think I've got the heart to sell him. I do like turtles. There was a BB-8 cushion, again quite dirty, so I'm going to have to clean that. That was 50p. Really cute Thai koala, again 50p I think. Or was he £1? He might have been £1. But he was really cute, I wasn't leaving him. Next, my gamble of the day. This was £10. This is a Tracy Island. I'm going to turn it over and it's going to fall to pieces. Because I don't know what it is. It's from 2004 from Venture Entertainment, ITC. It's got some batteries. I hate battery packs because I'm thinking, leaking batteries. But it literally falls to pieces. Like clips in, it's all modular. It's got moving bits. It's got most of the things in. She did say it was 3 and 5, the combination. There's a combination lock on this. So I'm presuming this is all lights and sounds and things. So that's quite cool looking. Then there's like Thunderbird 2, is that Thunderbird 4 in the back there. But yeah, it's literally, I don't know. I'm going to have to look it up because I don't know what this is, but because of all the figures and everything, there's more under here. I thought, you know what, it would be like an experiment. So yeah, £10 for that. I think I saw another one on another stall, but it was from a trader and it didn't have all the figures, so I didn't even ask how much that was. I went back and it had sold to someone that picked it up. But yeah, when I saw this, it had all the figures like out, so I could see it was nearly complete, or it might be complete, I don't know. But we shall see. Yeah, so that'll be a good training piece to see if it's worth picking up again in the future. So yeah, £10. If it's all there, I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some comps on eBay. So I thought I'd do a quick little bit of research because I had a break filming, and I looked this up. It's worth about, well, £30 odd, 35 a real push if it is complete and working. I have seen a lot that are lower than that. Some a lot lower, but obviously they're ones that aren't complete or not working, so I'm going to have to do a real huge research job on that to make sure all the figures and everything are there. Another gamble was this game. It's really heavy and huge. I know there's money in these sort of cooperative games, so when I saw this, and I know they're worth a lot of money as well, like this would probably be easily £50 new. They wanted a £5 for it. I didn't look inside, so I don't know if it was all there or how used it is, but we shall see. Oh, it's so heavy, I can't do it with one hand. Oh, and it's upside down. Yeah, Enjoy the Stars it's called. But yeah, it looks really cool if it's all there. I don't know how I'm gonna... There is a list of contents, which is always handy. So yeah, that's gonna be a project. But yeah, that was £5. Again, a gamble. It's really heavy, so I don't know how I'm gonna ship that with a courier probably. So I've done a quick bit of research on this one, and it's not worth as much as I thought it would be. A pre-owned one is sold for around £15. There's one for 30 as well, and a brand new one for 40. So I don't know. I'm going to have to work out what's in it first and see how much I can sell that for. But it'll be more than £5. Hopefully with postage as well, I'll make at least my money back. But yeah, quite a nice item, I think. Then what do we have? This was 50p, Tasmanian Devils from 2004 wallet. It's really clean. I don't think it's been used. Then these two decks of cards. I love cards, but I don't know what these are. Super Fight Loot Crate cards. So I presume they're in like a loot crate then. One opened, one not opened. I haven't looked at them yet, but yeah. I thought 50p each they were, so I thought I'd just take those. Same person had this Next Generation Vintage VHS board game, Klingon Challenge. I have vague memories of playing this as a kid, well, teenager in the 90s. So yeah, it's not really got any value, but it was only £1, so people usually want parts for these sort of things, so that's fine. Next, if you saw my videos from last year, you'll know there was a car boot regular lady who had these colour box cats. These are things I used to collect when I was in my teens in the 90s. They're from like the 1980s, early 90s. These were £1 each. I got 11. She said I could have the 11 for £10, which was absolutely fine. I have got a couple of these on, the bigger ones I found in a charity shop recently, and they have had a lot of interest actually. No purchases yet. But yeah, and they're going for I think they're on for about £12.99. So if they can get interest at that price, I should do well on those, hopefully. Smaller ones, I'm not sure. I might just have to bundle these smaller ones. But the larger ones, if they're not a rare item, then they'll be around that £10 mark, £12.99 a push. Picked up a DVD set of Star Wars, just because it was Star Wars, and it was 50p for the 3 movies. Next, I saw this stuck out at me. I know this is a rare CD. It can go for around £10. It's the A-Team soundtrack. It's still got the security tag on. I don't know if it's new or not, but we'll see. Then there was another stall that had CDs 3 for £1. Found 3 soundtracks. The soundtracks are always good to sell. Sometimes they're quite rare. Got Dances with Wolves, The Piano, and Sleepless in Seattle. This case is bashed to pieces though. But yeah, I haven't researched those, but hopefully might make some money out of those. Next, I saw these and knew exactly what they were straight away. They're 90s, that you can tell from the outfits. They're from the 1990s. These are PG Tips monkeys. They might even be 80s. I don't know. I don't think so though. They don't have a date on the tag, unfortunately. It's just faded a bit, but you can just about make out it's PG Tips, Samantha Tips. Yeah, nice looking things. The Kevin one's a little dirty. It'll need a... Oh, I don't think I'll put it in the washing machine. I'll have to hand clean that one. And the last couple of things are... I don't know if this is Build-A-Bear actually, but it had Build-A-Bear clothes on it, or Bear Factory. I think Bear Factory is what Build-A-Bear used to be called. But it was an England top and it was 50p, so I thought I'd grab it. I'm sure when the football's on, someone will buy that. And then there was this glittery rabbit. I know it's generic. It had the older tag on, so that pricked my interest. I don't think it'd be worth a lot, but again, 50p, I thought I'd pick that one up. The monkeys, I did do some research on, and someone has got the 2 sold for £20. I paid a £5 for those. So yeah, hopefully I will be able to get around the same sort of amount. So yeah, that's my haul from today. Absolutely great start to the car boot season, and I'm looking forward to more. So I spent £65.80 today, and yeah. Thanks for watching everyone, and I will see you all soon. Take care, bye.